I'm Johnny Bodegas, an aircraft mechanic by profession. Before I do earn online, naging employee din ako for 1.5 years as a college professor sa Clark, Pampanga. Then, na-realize ko yung income ko sakto lang, minsan kulang pa, hindi ako nakakapagbigay sa family ko. Same time, talagang kulang siya, hirap ako sa bills. Then, nagsawa rin ako sa paulit-ulit kong ginagawa araw-araw. So, I decided to set aside my profession. Then, naganap ako ng ibang linya. Naganap ako ibang opportunity. So, na-realize ko, marami palang kumikita online. Marami rin akong tinutukan. Nagbenta-benta ako online. Marami pa akong mga bagay-bagay na tinutukan online. Then, blessings talaga kasi nung employee ako, almost 200,000 gross income ko lang for 1.5 years. But then, yung online industry ako, kumita rin ako ng mga almost $500,000 at the same span of time lang. So, good thing kasi, bukod dun sa kumikita ka online, nagagawa ko yung lahat ng gusto ko. Then, marami pa akong nakakilala ng mga kaibigan din online. So, last January 13, 2012, yung kaibigan ko rin na kasama ko sa mga racket ko online, in-offer niya sa akin yung opportunity online ng SWA Ultimate na pwede ka raw kumita ng Facebook. So, grabe lang kasi nakakabilib saka nakaka-amaze. Una, nagduda ako kasi sobrang nakakabilib yung sistema nila kung paano kumita. Then, it's too good to be true, ika nga. Pero na-realize ko lang kasi after 3 days nung sinare niya sa akin, kumita agad siya ng $300. Then after less than 10 days, kumita siya ng total of $800. So, ako naman, sobrang na-curious na ako na kung paano ba talaga kumikita. So, I studied the system very well. Ang sabi ko naman, wala namang mawawala. Siguro kung susubukan. Kasi hindi naman malaki ang risk. Kung di mangyari sa akin, okay lang. At least wala ka naman malulugi. At masasabi ko sa sarili ko, at least I tried. So, hindi yun nga, nakasali na ako, no? Nakakatuwa mong isipin dahil sobrang skeptical ako. Yung nangyari sa kanya, hindi nangyari sa akin. Grabe lang kasi for 2 months, sa pagdududa ko, 2 months na puro duda lang ginawa ko, kumita lang ako ng $170. So, pero okay lang kasi at least $170, dagdag income na rin yun. Lalo na kung sa bahay ka lang, then hawak mo oras mo, then hindi ka kailangan magtrabaho, 8 hours, wala kang boss, then nagagawa mo lahat ng gusto mong gawin. Then, higit sa lahat, wala kang ginagastos para sa pamasahe. Then, from that time, month of April, sabi ko, okay to, kakarinig ko na talaga to. Although yung mga kaibigan ko, pinagtatawanan ako, sabi nila na, pre, graduate ka, ba't mo iniwan yung profession mo? Pumasok ka ng milyon, sinaya mo lang yung profession mo kasi ganyan, sabi nila. So sabi ko naman, okay lang na masayang pinag-aral ko, but then wag lang natitirang oras ko, masasayang ko pa sa maliit na income, di ba? So grabe, tinuloy-tuloy ko lang hanggang sa kumita na ako ng $500, then after a month, hindi $1,000, then grabe lang nakakagulat kasi after 8 months of doing this opportunity, total na kinita ko is more than $8,000 na rin, or 350,000 pesos. And then right now, I am breaking around $1,500 to $2,000 monthly income. Disclaimer lang, no, kasi hindi ko sinasabi para magyabag o kung ano man. Kaya ako sobrang excited na i-share ko sa inyo kasi kung ako, nakaya ko, well in fact na ako, nakagraduate ako as aircraft mechanic ko ng aeroplano mismo. So baka ikaw mismo, malay mo, try mo lang. Baka more than pa sa akin ang kikitain mo dito sa opportunity ito. Kasi if ever ikaw, kagaya mo rin ako, may Facebook account ka, at lagi kang online, at lagi ka nagsishare ng mga status mo, sinishare mo yung mga photos, mga music videos na gusto mo, and if ever sinishare mo yung mga nakakatawang posts, or mga photos. So baka magulat ka, gano'n lang din ang ginagawa ko online. And then, ang pinagkaiba lang natin, ako kumikita, ikaw, nagigame mo lang yung like, comments ng mga friends mo. Ever ikaw, interested din kumita online at makatulog kahit paano sa pamilya mo, this is the best opportunity for you to grab. Kasi ako naman, ginagawa ko ito hindi lang para magkaroon ng pera, but then for me to help people as well, para kumita kahit nasa bahay lang. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, ang kailangan mo lang talaga is sipag, tanda at diskarte, right mindset, right opportunity, and believe in God that He will bless you until you become successful in life. Then through my experience in this kind of industry, I just realized also that for you to become an effective leader, you have to develop and build a team or group of people. So in this opportunity, I really asked God for an idea on how to create a concept in building a team. So he granted my request. The name of my team right now is ACES. It stands for Acknowledge Christ in Every Situation. Wherein once you join this program, the concept that you will expect is what we know you will just know, and what we do you will just do it, and what we earn in this program you will definitely earn as well. We have our team website www.earngreatnow.com to help you promote with this opportunity. It has a members area, it is a password protected club, in lahat ng online strategies makikita mo na doon. Plus a lot more of affiliate perks and freebies under our team ACES website. So if you decide to join our team, we promise you productivity. All you have to do is apply all those online strategies that we have so that people will automatically join you. You don't have to convince them. Actually, grabe yung blessings lang kasi in just 8 months, we've reached around 2,100 members in approximately 50 countries worldwide. Right now, mga almost 10 ang mga nagtiwala at sumubok na gawin ang SWA Ultimate at kumita na rin ng more than 100,000 pesos under my organization in just few months. After nilang itry ang opportunity na to. At mga around 100 people na rin earning $250 or 10,000 pesos extra income monthly na nasa bahay lang. Actually, hindi totoo yung sinasabi ng iba na yung mga nauuna lang ang kumikita na malaki. Well, in fact, dito sa team ko, may kakasali lang after a month he joined, you earned almost more than 81,000 pesos or $1,900. So it's up to you. Dito, if you want to earn 100,000 in just few days, you can earn that gamit ang sistema ng SWA Ultimate at Facebook lang. As of now, dito ako ngayon, pero 20 to 30 people ang sumasali araw-araw under my team na gusto rin kumita online worldwide. So if ever ikaw interested ka maging ka-teammate namin, let me advise you to visit our team website, Team ACES, www.earngreatnow.com. May video doon. Watch the video for you to know more about how to earn using the Supreme Wealth Alliance Ultimate System and Facebook lang. Ma-amaze ka sa opportunity makikita mo at mag-discover mo once mapanood mo na yung video. Try ko lang alamin kung paano ba talaga. Sabi ko nga, wala namang mawawala kung susubukan. If ever naman at hindi ka ma-interest, ako lang, wala namang kikitan. At least, share with you opportunity. So thank you for your time in watching this video. Welcome to this opportunity and God bless you.